Got it tied down because it's gusty out there. Well, we're going to Long Beach, California today. We would stop in Pueblo for fuel. It'd be about 2 hours to Pueblo, a little over 2 hours to Long Beach from there, because we just can't make 4 hours nonstop with 6 people. Have to leave some fuel behind for that. The winds are supposed to be gusting over 50 knots at Pueblo, and all up along the east side of the Rocky Mountains there, the winds were just really high. So we changed our fuel stop to Salina. Winds are only going to be gusting up to 30 in Salina, so we'll be good. Some stuff, our bags back there, we'll keep those separate.
A1. Rotate. Posture right.
You're up. You're up.
Southwest 1379, are you able to follow 380 for traffic?
Yeah, it's Southwest 1379, 380. If it's relatively smooth or no more than light chop, we can dig.
We're crossing that line of weather. It's about 50 miles out that first cell right there, stopping out about 43,000. It's been a pretty rough ride so far. And we're going to start down in about 15-20 minutes here, but we'll be on the other side of that line when we do. Disengaged.
KC 20, turn base now.
KC 20, turning base.
Speed brakes.
All right, just did the post-flight check, taking on 220 gallons, and we'll be right back out of here, then 3 hours to Long Beach.
Okay over there?
Yeah, you got plenty of room on this side. V1, rotate.
Activate gear up, please.
Selected. Gear indicates up.
Flaps up, yaw damper off.
Selected. Engaged.
November 2 Quebec, contact departure, good flight, fit.
Clear departure to Quebec, get in. Clear visual approach 35 Salina, Skywest 5590.
Departure citation to Quebec is climbing to 4,000, runway heading.
Citation to Quebec, Kansas City Center, roger, higher shortly, radar contact 3 miles north of field out of 3,500, fly heading of 290 vectors traffic.
Heading 290 to Quebec.
290 level at 4,000.
November 1 Lima Foxtrot, descend and maintain 6,000. Water ski 4671, contact Kansas City Center 133.2. November 1 Lima Foxtrot at Hayes, 2206, special automated observation. Wind 320 at 18, gusting 23, visibility 4 miles, light rain, mist. Few clouds at 900, ceiling 1,400, overcast. Stay tap birds requested. November 1 Lima Foxtrot, roger, cleared direct to Akahu.
Uh-oh, here comes the sun. It was nice, bro. Oh my gosh.
Ooh, that was blinding. They're all screaming back there. They got touched by the sun.
Okay, we made it. Long Beach. They've got a car issue, so they're taking care of that. Well, we made it to the hotel. About to go downstairs and get a bite to eat. I don't think we're actually going to go anywhere. There's the view. See it? Oh, gosh. Sun's about to come up in Long Beach, California. We got one day, then we go back tomorrow. We're waiting for a race. The race is actually tomorrow afternoon. We leave after the race, so I'm guessing we'll probably leave, evening, approximately 3 hours back. Puts us back home about 12. Mike and I are supposed to deliver to Quebec to Moline to have the ADSB done. So that's supposed to be early morning. We're probably going to have to push that back unless something changes. I'm thinking breakfast is going to be Starbucks. Starbucks is right there. I think that's my room right there. Oh, I'm going to get one of those bacon Gouda eggs.
Bacon Gouda.
And a small regular coffee. Oh, that's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Belmont Brewing Company. Sunday morning. We're going to be leaving here after the races. I think I'm going to get out, take a little walk, and get some more coffee. Why don't we just walk around the hotel, see what's in the area? Who knows, we might find something interesting. Definitely better than sitting in the hotel room. Yep, good for them. All right, there is the big bronze Earth ball with airplanes flying around it. Yeah, it looks like they're tearing down an old Boeing building here. There's the airport over there. The Long Beach Airport, they used to build a lot of airplanes here, especially during the Second World War. They built bombers here. Thousands of airplanes came off the assembly lines here. One thing about walking in office parks on the weekend is they are so quiet. There's nobody here on the weekends. I want to talk to you guys about pilot jobs. You guys looking for pilot jobs? There is a pilot shortage right now. There's a shortage of qualified pilots with enough time and experience. If you're having trouble finding a full-time job, don't discount any part-time work. Numerous times I've done part-time work and it has turned into full-time. I got in a position where I was between jobs. I got a part-time job flying a Cessna 340, 135, and then I did some part-time work flying a Cessna 210, and then another part-time job flying a Navajo. And what started to happen, I was busy, I was making full-time pay, but one guy would call and say, hey, I'm flying for the other guy, sorry, I can't do it. And it puts them in a spot. Either they have to hire you full-time to get your loyalty, to make sure you're available when they need you, or get somebody else. Well, obviously there aren't a bind, so they're probably not getting anybody else to do the part-time work. They might have to reschedule or something like that. But it does tend to push people in the direction of thinking, hey, maybe I need to hire this guy, make him a full-time pilot with us. because they can't have that happen too many times. Look for those opportunities. Some of them are big and some of them are little. And the thing about making videos, I've been doing it for 10 years, and these waves kind of come. And what will happen is, if you're too slow, there's really nothing to make a video about that's interesting. If you're too busy, well, you can't make videos because you're not sitting where you can edit, and a lot of times things are going so quickly you really just can't put up a good story. So there's a sweet spot in between. What's about to happen is this airplane's about to go into maintenance. It'll go down for 3 weeks. I'm going to take some time off, so I'm going to take a driving trip with Chris, come back after 10 days, and then we're going to do training in the 650 XLS at Flight Safety. I'll get my recurrent done. There's a version 747 livery, marked flight test. I wonder what they're doing with that. Spring is here. No! Ready to go. We just need some passengers, that's all. Gonna make a stop in Tucson, last minute change, drop one off, and then on to Spirit of St. Louis. I don't think we're gonna get in there till 1:30. We'll see how it works out. Oh, did my first live broadcast or live stream on YouTube sitting in the hotel room today. It was only a minor disaster, a couple of little flubs there first time. You know, it's not intuitive setting all that stuff up and doing it. But I think I'm going to do some more of that, you know, take advantage of this time sitting in hotel rooms. We've been pushed back about half an hour. We'll just deal with it. Our departure is the Fritter 1 scenery transition in Blythe as filed. It'll be dark by the time we get to Tucson. We'll do that quick turn, take a load of fuel, get out of there. I think that's Team Penske there.
B1. Rotate.
Gear up.
Posture brake.
Number 77 Foxtrot, make right,
Flaps up, y'all.
traffic, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
77 Foxtrot, clear for takeoff, thank you.
God's on.
Citation to Quebec, contact SoCal departure, have a good night.
Good night, to Quebec. SoCal departure, citation number 2 Quebec, out of 1.2 for 3,000.
From 2 Quebec, SoCal departure, contact climb and maintain 4,000.
Up to maintain 4,000, 2 Quebec.
4,000, coming left.
Dr. 1 Juliet Sierra, contact approach 124.1.
124.1, 120.
November 4 Mike Echo. Traffic just departed Long Beach, 2 o'clock and 4 miles, turning southbound, citation 2,300, climbing to 4,000. Climb VFR 300 feet for traffic.
And everything's up.
Climb 4 Mike Echo, climb VFR, 4 Mike Echo, climb. Traffic alert, number 2 Whiskey Charlie, advise you turn left immediately, heading 20, Christian turn left heading 120. November 2 Quebec, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, climbing, sailing to 4,200.
2 Quebec, searching.
Number 4 Mike Echo, no delay, climb VFR 300 feet, over.
4 Mike Echo, climbing 300 feet.
Number 2 Quebec, fly heading 160, back to traffic.
160, 2 Quebec.
160 on the heading.
Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, resume on navigation.
Traffic.
He's going to go off to the left.
And
Okay, right.
Pass low and to your right. Rate of service terminus, squawk 1201, first to chain the first.
Go 1201, 4 Mike Echo.
SoCal, Cherokee 4255, Tango 65.
Yeah, I see him, he's passing.
And 4 Mike Echo, Long Beach Altimeter 29902. Christian citation 2 Quebec, climb and maintain 7,000, fly heading 180.
Up to 7,000, heading 180, 2 Quebec.
7,180 on the heading.
Number 4255, Tango SoCal, Long Beach Altimeter 29902. 2992 for 55 Tango.
Did you say 7?
480 Pop, SoCal Bridge Charger. Long Beach Altimeter 29902.
There's our bathroom.
Great. All right, we made it to Tucson. Quick turn. You can see the fuel trucks out there. Taking on fuel. Everybody sees the bathroom, and we get right back out of here. I'm sitting here waiting for Mike to get back so I can run in and pay. Flying slow.
There we go. Good job.
All right, it's all taken care of.